bright and early on fence moving day for the chickens. Actually, I forgot I started tearing the fence down already. I'm gonna try and do a video and kind of you can see this process and what it takes. But so far, I've kind of started laying down about half the fence so I can bring it over. Old area, right next to it. New area. All right, let's do it. All right, so that is the basis of the move. All set up. You see there's a couple saggy spots. We have support posts that go on the outside and you tie a rope to, and it just kind of helps pull on the fence and pull it tight so it doesn't sag so much. So next step is got our pile of wood chips, and we're going to bring a couple wheelbarrow loads of wood chips in and fill in some spots to keep the chickens happy. Man, I thought I just took a video, but it was a picture and I talked for a while. Okay, so a couple loads of mulch or wood chips. It's 5 wheelbarrow loads. That stupid thing. Probably need at least 5 more just to do the base area, but it's hot out already. It's like 6:30. I'm not okay with that. So we need about 5 more, but I gotta go feed pigs now, and I gotta let these chickens out because I can hear them. They're getting antsy, and I can already see they're starting to lay some eggs this morning. So let's let chickens. Good morning. Oop. Yes, come on. Come on, chickens. All right. Chickens are out. Chickens got some fresh grass. That's how we keep the chickens happy.